Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok not available. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok not available, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You'll wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.